It is literally the size of my head. Why is everything that I work with so cute and little? So we're here at the Ainsworth in Midtown about to try their burrata burger, which I'm so excited about because this is right up my alley. Let's get going. We're making this burrata burger. Tell me what the inspiration was behind this.
So one of my favorite things to eat is a Caprese salad, which is mozzarella and tomatoes, balsamic vinegar. It dawned on me to make it into a burger, but using burrata.
Why is everything that I work with so cute and little?
The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grill this.
Pull out grill.
Exactly.
I've never seen one of these before.
And then we just throw it back and just wait for it.
See you later.
I love heirloom tomatoes because they're actually just more flavorful than other regular tomatoes. I like to drizzle it with a little bit of reduced balsamic vinaigrette, only so it can have extra flavor into it, and then I throw it right on the grill.
You said a little bit, but I'm gonna kind of go a little crazy because I love balsamic glaze. I feel like I'm treating this tomato really nicely. It's like giving a little balsamic massage.
Now nobody wants a cold burrata. So when we get an order, we just drop the burrata for like 5-10 seconds. When the customer eats it, it just melts.
Burrata's in the hot tub.
We get our bun and then we butter it both sides. We like to toast it.
Gorgeous.
We like to cut it a little thicker so it doesn't deteriorate when you grill it on the grill. So it's nice and golden. That's the color that we're going for.
It sort of looks like a poached egg.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, it's so much cooler over here. Oh my God. Can I stay on this side?
Now we're gonna build the burger.
Okay.
We're gonna slab it right on there.
Beautiful. That's a big burger. Nice.
7 ounce on there, right on top.
Look at that thing. This thing's like 6 inches tall.
To add more flavor, we're just gonna throw a little bit of basil on there. We're gonna finish the burger.
Oh my God.
And that's it.
It is literally the size of my head. This burger is absolutely insane, and I don't know what's gonna happen when I cut into it, but we're in it together, so we'll find out. The key is to get all the way down to the bottom and work your way back. Look at this insanity. Just like every single layer is a different type of flavor and texture. I mean, you're gonna get the meatiness, you're gonna get the sweetness, the creaminess. Oh God, I'm so excited. It is so good. It tastes like the creamiest Caprese salad with burger. I'm taking another bite. I honestly feel like I'm in Italy right now. You get every single piece of this burger in one bite.